Hi guys, our next video will be about union and intersection of sets. Let's have first union. Let A and B be sets. Then the union of sets A and B denoted by A. Then the symbol is U. So A union B is a set that contains those elements that belong to A, B, or to both. So it means that if we're going to have the union of two sets, we're going to combine all the elements found on those sets. So example, given letter A equals a set containing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B 2, 4, 6, and 8, and C 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So what is number 1? What is A union B? 2 A union C, 3 B union C, and 4 A union B union C. So for the answer, A union B, you're going to combine all the elements found in those sets A and B. So we're going to have A union B be equal to the set containing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, and 8. Okay, so these are the elements found in A and B. Then A union C, A union C equals the elements found in A and C, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. Seven and 9. So this will be your answer. B union C, this will be the elements found in B and C. So you're going to have here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these are the elements found in B or C. Let's have A union B union C. So A union B union C will be equal to set containing all the elements found in A, B, and C. So we're going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then we have here 8, and last will be 9. Let's have intersection. So intersection, let A and B be sets. The intersection of sets A and B denoted by A. Then this is an inverted U. A intersection B is a set containing those elements that belong to both A and B. So examples given: A was set containing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B set containing 2, 4, 6, and 8. And C set containing 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So what is A intersection B? A intersection C, B intersection C, and A intersection B intersection C. So intersection generally means the element that is common in the given set. So for example, A intersection B. So this, you're going to find here the element that is common in A and B. So looking for the elements, we have 2, common is 2. We also have 4, and no more. So we're going to have 2 and 4. So the common element or elements are 2 and 4. So this will be the intersection of A and B. Let's have A intersection C. A intersection C, the common elements found in A and C. So you have here 1, then 2, then 3, and also 5. So we're going to have set containing 1, 2, 3, and 5. Let's have B intersection C. So B intersection C, the elements common in B and C. So we have here 2, then no more. So the answer here is 2. Then A intersection B intersection C. So the elements or element that is common in 3 sets. So the common element here, you have here 2 for A, 2 for B, and 2 for C. So that will be the intersection of the 3 sets. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.